Again, welcome back. Well, we've come to hunt this park today, and unfortunately it's one of those cushiony non-bark parks, playgrounds. We're not going to find much in there, but there was a 4th of July display here, fireworks in the little town park, and we're going to hunt around the park here and just see, if anything got left behind, see if there's anything interesting to dig up, and we'll get back with you. We got an 80 here, 79. Right there. Looks like we got a dime. And a real shallow 60. I thought I saw something. Let's go a little deeper. Oh, there it is. Penny just jumped out and bit my thumb. Looks like a real solid 30, 31. We know what that is. Probably a pull tab. Right in this area here. Oh, look at that. Did you see that? What is that? A ring. Wow. I was ringing up a, what was that, like a 30, 31? 31. Look at that. It's a little corroded. I think it's just a costumey blinger, but it's a ring. It's a pretty one too. It's very tiny. Nice. Oh, got a real high chattery one here from the 80s and 90s. Seems to be real shallow. Probably something big like a can or a quarter. Oh, it's a big screw. Could that have been it? Let's see if it's sitting on something. That's a pretty high ringing screw. 60s. A real strong 50s here. Surprising, I'm right next to this sort of electrical box. Could be something running right under here. We will investigate. Another piece of that pipe I had from a couple minutes ago, like 30 feet away. Very solid 60 here. Oh yeah. Got the crusty penny. Oops. Crusty penny with a few bites missing. 62. Another penny. Alright, I got a strong 58, 59 right in this area. And look at this leftover firework component. Seem to be all over the park today. There's a big fireworks display here. $58, $59, let's see what we got. Shouldn't be deep. There it is. It's a crusty penny. Or a strong 27 here. Oh, there it is, sitting up top. Nickel. An 88 in here. I do see, it's a plastic bottle, can't get rid of that. Oh, there you are. Sneaky one. Nice shiny new one. Very clean. 27 in here. So you can hear me over this guy yelling on the speaker. Alright. I'll see if I can just talk over him a little bit. We got a 27 we're chasing. Right. I feel like I'm pushing it around, which is exactly what I'm doing. There it is. A nice clean nickel right next to the nice clean quarter. And I think there's one more. We'll be back. I think we got an 88 here too. Maybe another quarter. Okay. This is not going to be easy to hear with this guy yelling. All right, we got another 88 in here. Huh. I pushed it off. Right there. Right there. There we go. Taking our time today. Another shiny, clean one. All right. Looks like something in the 70s. We're looking at a dime, maybe? Right about there. What is that? Huh. It's a little flashlight or laser pointer or something. Okay. Looks like another high 70s, 78. Are we on? Are we on? Oh boy. Thick bark here. A little deep. Not super strong. There we go. We got it already. Looks like a penny. Wait, looks like a dime. Kind of a copper colored dime. Alright, and a real repeatable 42 right here. Right there in the edge of the bush. Let's see if it's under this bark. Alright, I'll have to identify it. Huh. Looks like part of a pair of glasses. Some fancy blue ones. Look at that. Chasing around an 87, 88 here. Oh, there it is. Nice shiny one. I see something in the 90s here, and I see a little pink. I'm not sure what that is. Huh. It's like a little USB. Oh, yeah, it's blinking. Little power bank, battery. All right, looks like it still works too. Charge my GoPro with that thing. And right next to that battery, I got a solid shallow 60 here in the leaves. There we go. Another penny. I got a bunch of signals here in these leaves. I'm just gonna search through and jump to the good part here. You know what I find. All right, this may be the last target here in the leafy area. This one was a 45. So that was a little different. The other were all coins. Off to the side. Oh, we got a piece of foil there. That was probably it. Okay, we'll cut this part out. All right, we'll do a little review of this mini hunt, sort of a hunt within a hunt. Show you what I found all in this leafy area. There's still some targets out there, but I'm gonna move along. I've just got been getting coins. Looks like mostly pennies and dimes, a couple quarters, a couple pieces of garbage here. Interesting, I did get, let's see, where is it? Yeah, this one here. I think it's a Canadian penny. That's kind of cool. All right, we're gonna move on to another area now, but we'll keep this place in mind. Maybe we'll come back. It was sure paying off. All right. Just dug a penny here, and I had another like 62. Probably another penny here somewhere. What's that? Oh, I thought that was a ring. It's not, but maybe it is some kind of jewelry. It's a little heavy. Piece of steel. Maybe it's an earring. I don't know. Figure that one out. Anyone know? Anyone recognize this? Looking for a 79. Right about here. Oh, I see it. I think it's a dime. A shiny dime. Another shallow, low 50s. Right in this vicinity. I'm gonna sit down on something back there. Let's see. Not getting anything. Sweep. Let's see. Not on anymore. Okay, let's see. Except over here, I may have been off center. Oh, what is that? Look at that. Hello, kitty. Pretty. Rang up like a 51, 52. Alright, we got an 88 and we got a 60. Which one do we go with first? We'll go with the 60. Alright, right there. Is that rock? Oh, there we go. We got the 60, which is a penny. The 88, we'll do a little walk over here. It was right in this area. Right there. Oh, there we go. And it's a really new quarter. Looks like a 78 to me. A little deeper than I thought. Is that it right there? Yep. Wow, that's a shiny deep one. Look at that. Looks like somebody just put that down there today. 27, 28. Under the tree still. There you go. It is a nickel. Another really clean one. They stay dry under the tree, I guess. A strong 70s signal. Oh, getting up near the base of the tree here. Right there. Somewhere in here. Oh, it flew out already. Looks like another dime. Another real shiny one. Look at that. 27, 28. Another one over there. I don't think it's real deep. There we go. Nickel on the 27. Oh. A little sticky icky. Alright. I think there was another one over here. Let's take a look. Gotta love that when you just set the detector down right on top of another target. Looks like it's another 27, 28. Take a little digging. There we go. Another nickel. Another 2-for-1 deal here. 61. 30. That maybe was 27, 28. There you go. 61 and 27. What does that add up to? Usually 6. A penny and a nickel. Right there. Let's see if we can keep it in frame. Get my shovel. There is, was I wrong? Nope, that was a penny. And then we had a 27, 28 over here. Right there. Almost sitting on top of it. Oh, it was, we got pull tabbed. Make sure we're clear. Still something in there. Maybe that's why I was getting some 30 mixed in with 27. Oh, look at that. Partial pull tab. There's our 27. I think that's it. Oh wait, one more. Right there. This will finally be it. Come on. Nickel. What is it? Oh, it's a dime. Shocker. So what do we get there? A penny? Yep, penny, dime, pull tab, partial pull tab. And we'll sweep over it again before we go. There's a couple more targets here, so no wonder there was such number confusion. I'm still looking for that nickel I think is here. I had a hint of 27, 28, so I did get a couple of pull tabs. Maybe it's down deeper. Yeah. All right, let's see if it is anything. Forward direction. There it is. There. Oops. I had it. There it is. There's our nickel just over the ice cream truck. And I think there's one more penny over here, and I'll spare you the suspense. And just in front of those last two, we got an 80 and a bouncy 40, 20. Bottle cap over here, maybe. Who knows? The other one, I'm thinking dime. How about a piece of foil? And over here, I already lost track of where I was at. Up there. Dime? Yep. A dime. It wasn't filming, but I digged up this. It was about an 89, 90. I think maybe part of an earring or necklace. Super crusty. It's kind of cool. Little maybe plastic jewel or something in it. Okay, I think we got the last target of the day here. 88. Let's end it here. And it is a quarter. All right, that's gonna do it. We'll go to the wrap up after this. Turn my pin pointer off. Okay, here's the wrap up for our post 4th of July hunt. There's the interesting bin, the stuff I've set aside that's not immediately going in the trash, but I did find these plastic beads. I found an odd number of AA Amazon batteries, which are good. I checked them with my battery checker and they're fine. I got an unopened pack of Pez candy that I won't be eating. A couple pairs of glasses there. This weird little rivet, part of a keychain. This little aluminum cap. This, I'm not sure if it's a earring or what. I really don't know what this thing is. If you know what it is, let me know. This is like the back of an earring or a pin. It's a little heavy. Crusty old flashlight. And I got a nice power bank, USB, which works. I hit the button on the thing and yeah, the light came on. Needs to be charged. Who knows how long it's been sitting there. So the total for coins today, I had a pretty busy day digging coins. I ended up with about 10 quarters, 13 nickels, 14 dimes, and about 80 pennies. And we get on to the really cool stuff here. I got this little jeweled piece of an earring or something. I don't know if the back is silver. I'm going to clean it up a little and see what it looks like after it's got some of this crust removed. I found a, this is interesting, a Canadian penny. Pretty good shape. I think it's a I can't read her, it's 1975. Hey Fred, knock it off, buddy. I hit silver here, 64 nickel. Pretty good shape, just a little tarnished. That was a keeper. I got Hello Kitty, sparkly jeweled Hello Kitty pendant, which I don't think is anything precious, but it's in really good shape. Super cute. And then I got this ring. It was a ring day today. And I don't think it's diamonds, but and I don't think it's precious. I don't see any markings on it. We'll take a closer look at it when we clean it up, but I don't even think it's silver. I don't know, I could be wrong, but it looks like it's flaking off a little bit, but it was a cool find. That was real early on. If I remember back, it was a while ago. Anyways, that's gonna do it for today. And there's Fred. Hey buddy. And we'll see you in the next one. Make sure to hit that subscription button and you'll know when my next video is posted. Thanks for watching.